Hi, I want to show you or find out which one is the best facial cleanser, and I have the classic wipe. I have this one that is coming in this box as seen on TV, and I have Nuskin Lumispa award-winning cleanser that is both cleansing and treating your skin. And to find out which one is cleaning best, I am going to apply the UV Glow Neon Face and Body Paint. So we start with that. Painting my face. What I will do is to put on this cheek and that cheek and forehead. Or actually I can do it down here. And last but not least, actually I can take a little bit of yellow. Oops. Could be quite good. Maybe I should take some orange instead. Now just let it dry a little bit, and then let the little bit mix of color. That's it. Now let it dry a little bit. This is now going to look like makeup because I don't wear makeup, but all of these, at least this one and that and the wipe, is supposed to clean your skin, to remove your makeup, while actually the Lumispa, it is meant both to clean your skin and to treat it, so anti-age ageLOC. So it have actually the head is silicone, and it is rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise, so that is giving, it is rubbing the skin to make it more plump, and at the same time it is cleaning your skin. But let's start with this. It's too wet still. And also what I'm going to do is to use a UV light to show how much how clean the skin actually is after having cleaned it with different ways here. Yeah, get it dry. Maybe I can take, instead of having it thick, I can have it thin and larger. Not sure how you ladies are doing when you want your makeup to dry quick. I'm not used to have any paint in my face. Well, let's start. So I take this wipe, it's dry, and then and you can see I have the paint on that one. And we can actually, I think we can find out. And as you can see, there is plenty of paint left on my skin. The next is this one. It is bristles, and it doesn't come with anything, but I guess that most of you ladies, you take and first and get some wet in your skin, and then hey ho, the bristle is very pink. Let's see how it looks with this one. As you can see, there is a lot of paint left. On my skin. The third and last way is to clean with the Lumispa. And the head here is silicone, and it has silver thread. It is medical degree of cleanliness. We have another word in English, but I can't remember it. And with the Lumispa comes also the Activator, and the Activator contains also ageLOC ingredients, so you get actually 2 in 1 in this case with Lumispa. So you get both that it deep cleaning, and you get that an anti-aging treatment at the same time. So what you do is to put it on your skin, and here we go. Very nice feeling too. But as you can see, when it is really massaging my skin at the same time. So with this device, it is both anti-aging treatment and it is cleaning my skin deep. You can see here, pretty yucky, full of color of paint. What we do now is to, and as you can see, no paint left. So, if you want your Lumispa, you just press on one of the links in the details. Thing is that with Lumispa, you have different activators, and it is you use the one that is for your skin type. And that is same with the head. So I have listed the different, like oily skin and blemish prone skin and sensitive skin and so on. So you just press on a link and you can order your very own Lumispa. And also feel free to press like if you got value from this video. And you're most welcome, and it's most appreciated if you would like to subscribe on me. Well, thank you for viewing and have a very nice day. Have you any questions, just pop it and I will answer you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.